After you sign up for MEC Fiber Internet Service, please refer to your construction zone name. At the end of your zone name, you'll find the year in which mainline construction is scheduled to begin in your zone. You will begin to receive monthly construction updates in the year your zone's mainline construction is scheduled. We also post them on this site under the Updates tab. Once mainline construction is completed in your zone, MISDIG will come and mark your primary underground utility lines with flags and spray paint. This is your signal to mark any other underground utility lines, like sprinkler, septic, propane, or wellheads. After everything is marked, a crew will run a cable called a service drop from the road to your home and place your housebox in the location you specified during sign-up. Later, another crew will connect your service drop to our mainline fiber and prepare the connection inside your housebox with a process called splicing. Once this work is finished, we will contact you to schedule an appointment with a fiber installer. We recommend adding the contact information on your screen to your contact list so you know it's us.